come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, aka DeFi bully, back with a banger. The official pre-sale, whitelist pre-sale for the Bandit project is today, right now. If you're watching this video, it's right now, probably, more than likely. And it might still be going on. But before we go deeper into that, you already know the drill. Head over to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. It's notification bell NASA, so hit that notification bell to stay up to date, because I'm bringing you the time-sensitive information. And like this video. And then after you like the video, marry the video. Don't divorce her. All right, so the Bandit project has officially started its pre-sale, the private sale actually. So if you have a whitelist spot, you'll be able to buy into this. So I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do a quick buy-in to this pre-sale. You know, the minimum acquisition or the minimum deposit for or minimum contribution for the pre-sale, the whitelist pre-sale is 300 BUSD. I have some of my wallet right here. I'm gonna show you guys, just in case you guys don't know, this is how you do it. First, you have to approve the 300. Okay, I'm gonna do it just like this for you guys out there. All right, you confirm that. Bam. You wait a little bit for all that to go on. Now we all seen everything going on with Furio and Ooze and all these other things. I feel like it's just paving the way for the Bandit project. The Bandit project is gonna take over the world. And starting with DeFi City. And for somebody was asking me the other day, what does Binkabi mean in my name? Pretty much Binkabi is an icon word. It means justice, fair play, and freedom. It's derived from like West Africa. I'm not African. Well, I am. All of us are technically African. I'm Jamaican. I was born in America. I'm living in Jamaica right now, living this DeFi dream. You feel me? So once you approve this BUSD, then you press exchange. Okay. And you do it again. You just have to approve it when it's BUSD. You have to approve it first. All right. BUSD is the stable coin for Binance. Okay, and I am utilizing my MetaMask wallet. If you guys don't really understand this or you're new to this, you want to be a part of this project, hit me up in my Telegram group down below, Bullpen Millionaires. I'll be happy to give you a walkthrough. If I'm not there, I'm sure anybody else in the group will also help you with that. So as you can see, my reserve tokens is at 45.5 Bandit tokens. All right, people. I said 45. I mean 54.5 Bandit tokens. All right. And the maximum contribution you could do with this pre-sale is 2,000 BUSD. Remember, BUSD is pegged to the US dollars, so it's pretty much US dollars. Okay. And now it's a minimum of 3,905 Bandit tokens at the time of making this video. If this is to somehow sell out by today, I'm pretty sure the launch of this token would be very early, probably like early next week, before weekend. Right now is the 21st, so today is actually Thursday the 21st, so probably in a week if it sells out right now. All right, this was the timer for the whitelist spot. And if for you guys that don't know, the Bandit project is a daily ROI platform, is utilizing NFTs. Okay, you're gonna be getting paid anywhere from 1% to 2% a day, depending on the rarity of your NFT. As you can see, is some of the NFTs right here. And once all of the 3,000 NFTs that's in circulation sells out, then you'll be able to see the rarity of your NFT. If it's really rare, you could get up to 2% daily, 1.5%, 1%, depending on it. I mean, everybody wins though. You're still gonna be making money. These NFTs look cool, raccoon type based things going on. Bandits, a DeFi city. It's a wild, wild west out here, boys. So right now, I just bought that pre-sale spot. I mean, I just bought into my pre-sale spot, so I have those tokens in reserve, waiting for the launch. Okay, I'm gonna just do a quick run through again for you guys. Every NFT you mint every NFT mint gives you a chance to hire a unique member. Once your NFT is made, your capital is locked for good. You cannot get it back. So once you put your money into the staking system, you do not get that back, but you do get the rewards that it generates at up to 2% daily, like I explained a short while ago. And you can earn up to 365% ROI. So compounding will actually help grow that bag and grow the amount that you have in your deposits. So if you start with, like, say for example, I got 54 tokens. If I compound the first month, I could probably end up with over 100 tokens. Okay, and then I could be earning up to 2% of however that might be worth at the time of that month. Right now, at this particular time, each token is worth $5.50. Immediately after launch, I believe it would be $6.50. All right, and then depending on how people buy in, that could go up, it could go down. We all know how these things go. I'm very bullish on this. We all seen what's going on with Furio. We seen what happened with Ooze. We seen what's going on with Cairo and all those other daily ROI platforms. I feel like this one will be really the one that take it to the next level, because it's just utilizing communities and DeFi, the real communities in DeFi, not just the ultra big YouTubers and the stuns and this and that and you know what I mean? No disrespect to them, but to each his own. But this one right here, I feel like it's gonna be very special. Okay, you can either compound your earnings or add more Bandit tokens to your NFT to increase your daily return. All right, there's a lot of different ways to make money in this. I do have another video, you guys could check that out. I didn't want to make this one too long. I just wanted to give a quick run through of what's going on with these with this pre-sale and how it's officially out now. And I believe it's going to be running until either the remaining tokens are over, or I believe, for, if I'm not mistaken, the next couple of days. I'm not 100% like certain. I can't really remember right now. But if these were to sell out right now, we're set to see an early release of the Bandit project, okay? In probably a week or less. So, and you could buy in multiple times, because you see now it says my remaining contribution is 1,700 BUSD, so I could actually buy more if I want. I'm gonna buy another $100 worth. I'm gonna buy another $100 worth. I'll do that right here live on camera while I'm here. Why not? Why not? Why not? Well, it's gonna take too long. I'll do it off the camera and just, I don't know, talk about it in my next video or something. But yeah, if you guys are interested, like I said, hit the Telegram group. You can also go into the Bandit Projects Telegram group. I'll put the link to that down below as well. You can hit shout out Hustleman Matt, everybody behind the scenes trying to make this the best daily ROI platform ever. Much respect, much appreciation to y'all. I see what's going on, and all this is not gonna go unnoticed. So I'm loving it. I'm loving the project. Like I said, I didn't really want to make this video too long. Just wanted to do a quick overview on everything. There will be taxes on buys and sales to help sustain the project itself. 5% tax for compounds. But also you get rewards for having people on your team. You could do airdrops and this and that. Like, it's just really cool. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. It's just, it just feels like Drip 3.0 to me. You feel me? So, you guys are interested? You know what to do. Make sure you like this video, because you know I'm bringing that content. And it's Nasa Ben Kabi. Blessings. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's a nice, short, sweet video.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.